Yo, YouTubers, what's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to teach you how to say water in a British accent. So, most of my subscribers, were born in the UK, and that's totally fine. You don't have to watch this video. You can actually go watch in some more of my videos. I was born in the UK, but I wasn't. I was born in the US. As you can tell by my accent, I don't have an accent. I have the US accent. So, yeah, whatever. So here's how you say water in a British accent. So first thing you want to have in mind is people who are born in the US say water. In the word water, there's a T, the third letter in water. The T is the third letter in that word. So, and people in the US says water, the T as a D, like water. See, and they also say the R, a soft R, water. See? Okay, so let's try it in a British accent. So, the W, you say ooh. You say ooh. Try it with me. Ooh. You keep on practicing until you get it right. And then water. See? Water. And then you say the T as a hard T. Water. See? And then you don't say the R. You don't say the R at all. Water. See? Like water. Water. Like Whataburger. Water. Water. See? So this is a series on how to say words in a British accent. And I'll see you in my other videos. Okay? I'll see you in any of those videos. But for now, I'm signing out. Peace out.